Hey there, I'm Sarah with WTI. Sometimes you come across a product that really takes your breath away, and that's how I felt about this 21-inch clock from Infinity Time. The quality is remarkable and the moving gears are mesmerizing, but the whole clock has this substantial look and feel to it. Now it has glass on the front, and those moving gears really are a showstopper, but the whole clock is beautiful. And the hardest part for me was deciding where to hang it because it looked good in so many different places in my home. It comes with instructions that are very easy to follow, and that beautiful antique bronze really shines. It looked good in my living room. It looked good in my study. It didn't matter where I placed it. So whatever your decor is, I think you're going to be really pleased with the overall look and feel of this clock. And those moving gears are really the showstopper when it comes to this. It's such a popular piece in my home. Everybody notices it and mentions how much they love it. Now it does require 3 different batteries, which were very simple to install in the back. One is for the gears, and of course one is for the clock itself. So that's 2 separate different requirements for batteries, but that's really all you need to do to get this clock up and running. And then you have to just decide where to place it. And you may have the same problem I did because it's such a fantastic and unique looking clock. You're going to want to try it all over the place in your home before you settle on its permanent place. And even in an office space, this would look fantastic as well. It's such a beautiful piece. You're going to love it. I just know it because I love mine. And that is my point of view.